What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll give you a clear, easy to understand overview of how selling crypto on MEXC P2P works, so you understand the process and what to expect. This is for educational purposes, to explain how the platform functions. When you want to sell crypto on MEXC P2P, everything starts on the official MEXC website. After logging in, you go to the Buy Crypto section and choose P2P. This opens the peer-to-peer marketplace where users trade directly with each other instead of through the order book. Before you can sell anything, you need to have a payment method added to your account. This is important because buyers will send money directly to the payment method you choose, such as a bank account or supported local option. The name on your payment method must match the name on your MEXC account, otherwise the transaction can fail. Once that's set up, you switch to P2P trading mode and select the Sell tab. Here, you'll see ads from buyers who are looking to purchase crypto like USDT, USDC, BTC, or ETH. Each buyer lists their supported payment methods, price, and minimum and maximum limits, so it's important to review those details before choosing who to trade with. After selecting a buyer, you enter how much crypto you want to sell or how much fiat currency you want to receive. MEXC automatically calculates the conversion for you. At this point, you confirm that you agree to the P2P service terms and the order is created. From there, the order page opens and the buyer has a limited amount of time to send payment to you. During this step, MEXC holds the crypto securely while you wait for payment. You can also use the built-in live chat if you need to communicate with the buyer. Once you confirm that the payment has been received in your account, you mark the payment as received and approve the release of the crypto. For security, MEXC will ask for your verification code, such as a 2FA or Google Authenticator code. After confirmation, the crypto is released to the buyer and the transaction is completed. You can always review your completed and past P2P transactions by opening the Orders section in your account. That's the full picture of how selling crypto on MEXC P2P works from start to finish. Understanding each step helps avoid mistakes and keeps transactions smooth and secure. If this explanation helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.